of New Hampshire's first EV and plug-in hybrid dealership, Green Wave Electric Vehicles! Tonight we celebrate the launch of a new type of auto dealership and the dawning of a new era of transportation. Green Wave is here to do three things: have fun, keep learning, and make the world a better place. We're offering a wide selection of EVs and plug-in hybrids at all price points, and I can guarantee you these will be the most fun cars you have ever driven. When you buy your electric vehicle from Green Wave, you don't have to sacrifice anything to get a clean vehicle because we do everything that a regular car dealership does, right? We have EVs and PHEVs at all price points, from $15,000 all the way up to that Rivian at $90,000. And we accept all trades. You pay, right? Finance, we have rates as low as 4.99%. We offer on us a 30-day, 1,000-mile warranty on every car that we sell. We can do your home charging station for you, and we're gonna help you with any tax credits that are available on the used EVs, right? And we plant 100 trees in your name at no cost to you, just to extend your impact, to give you a 1-year membership to Clean Energy New Hampshire so that they can do the important work of advocating on our behalf for cleaner, renewable energy, and we're gonna give you a small little tree for your home. I believe that choosing to purchase a reused electric vehicle is about doing something meaningful to help this beautiful world that we live in, right? The climate crisis, it's here, it's real, and it's getting worse. The last 8 years have been the warmest years in recorded history. The Intergovernmental Planet on Climate Change says we're in trouble. Human systems and natural ecosystems are in trouble if we don't do anything, but they also say that we can do something to make it better. Near-term decisions in reducing our carbon impact can, for the long term, for the generations ahead, can help us save this beautiful world. And in America, the biggest piece of our carbon footprint is transportation, right? 29% of carbon impact in America is transportation. If you switch to electric, the average American, right, can reduce their carbon impact just by a switch to an EV of up to 20%. I know some people say, oh, but aren't EVs more carbon intensive to make than internal combustion engine cars? Today, because of technology, that's true, but if you look at this chart, right, after about 2 years, the carbon impact is neutral of an EV to an internal combustion engine car, and over the life of the car, it gets better and better and better. So, in other words, the most environmentally responsible choice is not to order your Ford F-150 Lightning for 3 years, it's to buy that one today. Just saying. When I look around, I look at you, I look at us, I say, we are this world worth saving, right? That's what we're here to do. We're here for our kids, we're here for future generations, but we're here for us. Let's do what we can to solve the climate crisis. And thank you so much for coming. I appreciate it.